In today's video, I will show you how to tell if your brake fluid needs to be changed. So I had this code last week on my 2017 Honda Civic that tells me that I need the brake fluid flushed. Usually you have to flush or change brake fluids every 48,000 kilometers or every 2 years, or it could depend on the manufacturer's recommendation depending on the type of your vehicle. As you can see, I have a few codes. It says 01379, 0 for oil, engine and filter. Number 1 is for tire rotation. Number 3 is for transmission fluid, and 7 for brake fluid, and number 9 is for inspection of suspension components, tie rods, etc. But we are going to focus for now only on code number 7, which is brake fluid replacement. Okay, so what I have here is a brake fluid tester to check if I really do need to replace my brake fluids. How this device works, it will tell you how many percent of water is in a brake fluid. If it's 0% to 2%, it is good. If it's 2.5%, then it's kind of 50-50. And if it's 3% or more, then it's definitely time for a brake fluid flush. By the way, if you are interested in this product, I bought it on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Okay, let's start. First, you have to check the type of brake fluid you have in your car. So in my case, I do have my Honda Civic 2017. It is DOT4. Okay, there. I don't know if you can see. It is DOT4. So turn it on. So right now it's programmed at DOT3. So what I need to do is press this green S and move it to DOT4. Okay, so if you're I'll press it again. And maybe if you're using DOT5, then you just have to keep on pressing until you have the settings that you need. Okay, so for me it's DOT4. Okay, now remove the cap of the tester and remove the cap, brake fluid cap. See, as you can see, use only DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. So my bad, I can actually use DOT3 or DOT4. So here I do, just to make it clear. So in Honda Civic 2017, this use only DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Okay, I'm gonna use a DOT4, or for just to make sure, just check your user's manual. Okay, and you're going to also need this one, okay, to remove that filter. There's a filter inside. And then now it's already set to DOT4. To do this, you just have to dip it and keep it steady. Okay, now we're on 0%. .9. Okay, it means we're good. Now it's went to 1.8. So basically, even if the, let's do it again, it's still 1.8, 1.9. So basically, if it's 0 to up to 2%, then your brake fluid is still good, still usable. Okay, so if it's more than 2.5, then that's, like I've said earlier, it's 50-50. If it's more than 3%, then basically you need to change the brake fluid. Okay, and that is all for today. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way, and see you in our next video.